Hello, kids. Welcome to It's All About Quiz, where fun meets learning every day. Today, we're going to learn the alphabet A to Z with fun and exciting yoga poses. Let's stretch, move, and stay healthy as we learn our ABCs. Are you ready? Let's begin. A is for aeroplane. Let's fly high in the airplane pose. Spread your wings and balance. B is for butterfly. Sit down and flap your knees in the butterfly pose. Flap, flap, flap. C is for cobra. Lie on your tummy, lift your chest, and hiss in the cobra pose. Shh. D is for dog. Stand tall, bend down, and stretch into the dog pose. Woof, woof. E is for extended triangle. Spread your arms wide and stretch sideways. Feel strong like a triangle. F is for frog. Squat down, hands on the floor, and hop like a frog. Ribbit, ribbit. G is for grasshopper. Jump up and down with energy, like a happy grasshopper. H is for horse. Stand with wide legs and gallop in place. Feel the power of a horse. I is for iguana. Stretch low and long like a lizard in the sun. J is for jump. Bend your knees and jump up high. 1, 2, 3, jump. K is for kite. Stand tall, arms up. Let your body sway like a kite in the sky. L is for lotus. Sit cross-legged and rest your hands. Feel calm in the lotus pose. M is for mountain. Stand still, tall, and strong. You are a mountain. N is for nest. Curl into a little ball. Be gentle like a bird in its nest. O is for owl. Stand with arms wide and twist side to side. Hoo hoo, you're a wise owl. P is for pigeon. Kneel down and stretch your leg behind you in the pigeon pose. Nice and slow. Q is for queen. Stand proud, lift your head. You are royal. You are a queen. R is for rock. Kneel down, rest your head on the floor. Stay still like a rock. S is for star. Spread your arms and legs out wide. Shine bright like a star. T is for tree. Balance on one foot, hands together. Sway gently in the tree pose. U is for Uttanasana. Bend forward and touch your toes. Relax in this gentle stretch. V is for vulture. Lean forward with arms back. Stay steady like a flying vulture. W is for warrior. Stand strong, arms stretched. Be brave like a warrior. X is for X pose. Spread your arms and legs wide like a big X, big and bold. Y is for Y pose. Raise your arms up and make a Y with your body. Yes, just like that. Z is for Ziz. Lie down, close your eyes, take a deep breath, and rest in sleeping pose. Shh, let your body relax. Great job, little yogis. You've learned your A to Z with fun yoga poses. Wasn't that exciting? Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to It's All About Quiz for more fun learning every day. See you next time, and happy International Yoga Day.